students, Suprabhatam. Now in standard 7, lesson number 6, we will learn the MCQ of lesson number 6. What is the name of the lesson number 6? The name of the lesson number 6 is Sankhya. And what is the meaning of Sankhya? Sankhya means numbers, okay? You in standard 6, you have learned number 1 to 12 in Sanskrit. Now in standard 7, you will learn 13 to 50 numbers in Sanskrit, okay? Most of the words of numbers in Sanskrit are near to Gujarati words of number, so it is easy to learn them, okay? So we start the MCQ of lesson number 6. Please listen carefully and see the MCQ. Now the first MCQ is, what is the meaning of Trini? Okay, what is the meaning of Trini? Trini का meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of Trini? Trini means 3. Okay. Now second MCQ, what is the meaning of Chatwari? So what is the meaning of Chatwari? Chatwari means 4. Okay. What is the meaning of Sat? Sat means 6. Now what is the meaning of Ekadas? Ekadas means 11. What is the meaning of Sodas? Sodas means 16. What is the meaning of Trayo Vishantihi? You have to remember in Vishantihi 2, 21, 22, 23, okay? And Trayo means 3. So which answer has come? 23. What is the meaning of Trishat? Trishat means 30. What is the meaning of Trayas Trishat? Trayas Trishat means 33. What is the meaning of Chatus Trishat? Chatur means 4 and Trishat means 30, means 34. What is the meaning of Chatvarishat? Chatvarishat means 40. What is the meaning of Chatus Chatvarishat? Chatvarishat means 40 and Chatus means 4, 44. Okay. What is the meaning of Pachasat? Pachasat means 50. Okay. You have to remember only 1 to 50 numbers in standard 7. I hope you understand all the MCQ very well. You have to prepare the MCQ from this, okay? And I will ask from the internal or external exam also, and you have to prepare, okay? For example, how to remember the numbers, okay? First 10, okay? संस्कृत में हम 10 बोलते हैं. देन 20 को संस्कृत में क्या बोलते हैं? विसंतिहि. ओके, इन इंग्लिश 20 एंड देन आफ्टर 21, 22, 23. इन संस्कृत ऑल्सो फर्स्ट विसंतिहि. विसंतिहि मीन्स 20 एंड देन आफ्टर विच नंबर हैज कम? 21 मीन्स एक विसंतिहि. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट इन विसंति एट लास्ट those words have visanti, it has the number 2, okay? Ek visanti, dva visanti, those who connect visantihi, the word visantihi, this word is, we have to attach the word 2, okay? 21 means ek visantihi. Now in the same way 30, we 31, 32, 33, okay? In English number, in English words. In Sanskrit way 30 means Trishat and Trishat, and 31, then after which number has come? 31, then we write 31 means what? Ek Trishat, okay? Now you have to remember that in Trishat later, in the last word, you have to remember Trishat, and you have to remember that in Trishat which number has come? 3, okay? Now Chatvarishat. Now in English 40, 41, 42, 43, okay? In the same way Chatvarishat. Chatvarishat means 40 means 4, okay? Which number has come? 4 means ek Chatvarishat, dva Chatvarishat. So at the last you have to put Chatvarishat, then which number has come? 4 number, okay? Now and at last Pachasat, and in Pachasat you have to remember which number has come? 5, okay? So here how to remember the numbers I have given hint to you. You have to remember the MCQ also, and 1 to 50 numbers you have to speak orally. Okay, I will also ask in orally. For example, Sad Visantihi. Okay, write the number in Sanskrit. You have to remember how to write Sad Visantihi. Visantihi means 2 की line है, और 2 की line और Sad means 6. So how to write Sad Visantihi means 26. Okay, I hope you understand all the MCQ very well, and you have to prepare this MCQ for your internal exam also. Okay, thank you.